What go on my people? Someone wants to say big up to Busy. You see, things like them are not making news, you know, my people. Busy is such a humble guy where Busy Signal went back to his community and donate some money. Me I go make on see it. Because me I watch E-Prime and me see it and me have to make my viewers they know what Busy I do.
Busy Signal's Helping Hands Foundation is embarking on its back-to-school treat for the second consecutive year. The artiste went back to his community to host his back-to-school community fair at the Buxton All-Aid School in St. Anne. Children from the community were the recipients of much-needed school supplies, including books, pencils, and backpacks valued at $2 million. Children were also provided with free medical checks as members of the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Doctors Lisa McPherson and Carrie Beaumont were on location.
Yes, so I say my people, Busy Signal went back to donate money to the community in a St. Anne. You see, things like that, people, I have to respect Busy for doing this. You see, I have to big up to Bounty Killer who set the trend and make Busy know say things like this. That's why you see, Bounty Killer are real people. You see me I say Bounty Killer are really poor people governor. Because watch out my people, if you Bounty Killer not really set our trend like this here, where Busy can know say boy can come do it. Because Bounty Killer do it, you know. For film community, Bounty Killer build a school in a sea view garden, you know my people. You see me I say, and I see Bounty Killer set the trend where Busy Signal can really look in himself and say boy, you know say I'm a community where me come from, if me can help out them people here, let me help them out. You see me I say, because remember you know, a youth of the future, you know, and a your community where you come from, you know. You see me, that's why I don't rate some people who bust and don't look back in a certain, not even your community, but if you can't help some people where help you reach where you want to go, then you don't deserve to be there. You see me, I say my people, that's why I have to applaud Busy for what I do, and anything I need for them on the gleaner, them thing I need for them on the news, but it dep on the news, yes, but the thing I need for them on the front page of the gleaner. You see me, I say, I applaud Busy for what I do. You see me, I say, everything them when books and so forth, it value $2 million. You see me, I say, and a $2 million out of pocket. You see me, and more people need to do them thing, and more celebrity need to do them thing. You see me, I say, them get big, the people them will support them, they don't remember people them, and yet see the same set of people them still suffer. You see me, I say, a youth them of the future. So if you can help youth them as a celebrity, as a superstar, whatever you may be, you can be in a better position than them. Help them. You see me, I say people, me applaud people who do them thing, and me have to big up to Busy. Big up man thing. You see me, I say me people, peace. I'm out.
El Shaddai, me call upon the Father for help on your night. Guide I along these streets today. Guide all the youths them along the way. El Shaddai, the lions are call upon I and I. Guide over I and I while I trod. El Shaddai, believe. Yeah. Please protect Jamaica and the rest of the world. Jah upon your telephone, tell him what you need, tell him what you need, tell him what you need. Jah upon the telephone, tell him what you need, tell him what you need, right? So by the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we wait, when we remember Zion, cause the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing Rastafari song in a strange land? Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the murderers and the rapists them burn out clean, oh, when them burn up in a fire just like a piece of lumber, oh, when dirty heart and bad mind burn out clean, oh, I'm gonna sing, sing, sing. Alliance a shout, shout, shout. I tell them a sing, Jamaica shout. Praise the Lord. Cause when Judge open me get them wide, and what's in a gun, no knife, no inside. And I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna shout. No terrorists. If I and I have the wings of a dove, if I have the wings of a dove, I would fly, fly away, fly away. Rock on, rock on it, rock on, rock on it. Oh Zion children, rock on it. Jamaican children and trod holy. Jah prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be a living sanctuary for you. Into my heart, into my heart, forward into my heart, oh Jah. Real, 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 Christ so real to me. I praise him cause he give me the victory. Many, many people doubt him, but I cannot do without him. That is why we praise him so. Just so real to me. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Praise ye the Lord. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord. Jamaica praise. Across the bridge, there'll be no sorrow. Across the bridge, there'll be no pain. The sun will shine across the river, and we'll never be unhappy again.